All right, so as you guys can tell, we finally got the CRV tinted. It's a 15% carbon, and it's still settling down, so it is gonna get a bit darker, but it's a whole lot better than what it was. You could, like, it was completely see-through before, and now you can't really see. You can see the reflection right there. But I'm really excited about it. We definitely needed it. It was too hot out here in Georgia, and now it's completely not see-through. What's the word for it? Well, pretty much you can't see through it. But yeah, I'm excited. We're about to actually go meet up with some of the guys from Team Elegant. Like I had told you guys about it in the previous video. I'm gonna take the black truck because I don't have any car seats in the Tahoe. So we're gonna go ahead and take the black truck, go get our stickers, our banners, and put them on the truck. So I'll see you guys once we get there. All right, so we just pulled up. Oh shit, look at it. Check them out, check them out. It's a nice truck right there. All right guys, so we pulled up to Brian's house because he said he's about to do the exhaust on the single cab. I forgot to show you guys the banners, but I picked up 2 banners. So I'm gonna be putting one on the black truck and one on the Tahoe. Picked them up from Team Elegant. But look how many trucks there is at this dude's house. It's this Tundra. I think it's like a 2020 Z71 Trail Boss Silverado. And then Brian's X31 2020. And then this Jeep. And the single cab, obviously. And then his mom's Tahoe in there. But yeah, he's about to get to welding all of it. Let's see where it is. He's getting everything ready. And he's gonna get started. Look at this guy. Doing his own exhaust on the single cab. I guess we'll see how it comes out. So all this is still coming off?
Yep, that's the off.
Oh, I see what you did right there. You just gotta weld that together, huh? That little, that thingy bobber?
Yep, that joint crossover. You know, I need to start this, do this first. I'm gonna miter this, cut. There's angle this a good bit too. Just have to put it straight. Maybe a good connector. I could probably get away with a connector. All right.
Whatever you say, Kiki. I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm gonna cut this bitch. Oh, might as well fucking mark it. Need reference points.
You want me to help you hold it?
I think good.
Decisive. Look how many tips he bought just to finally choose one. These are the same. One is taller than the other. I'm sure he has a reason for that, but look at all this. He bought 5 of them, and I think there's more somewhere around here. Check this out. 2020 Silverado front end. And then right behind it, you got the 2020 Sierra front end. I'm not sure which one I like more. I think I might have to go with the Sierra though. I think overall it flows a little bit better. But this one ain't too bad. All right, so we just made it back home. I forgot to show you guys, but we got the stickers. I got 2 of them, one for the black crew cab and one for the Tahoe. And I went to pick up some food real quick. Good morning, guys. It's now the next day. We're gonna take the CRV out today to get some groceries and stuff, and I still haven't been able to wash it. So right now I decided, you know, we got it tinted yesterday and we're gonna go ahead and use it all day today. So I might as well go take it for a wash, keep it nice and clean and give it a little bit more love. But we're not gonna take it to the self-service car wash. We're gonna take it to one of those drive-through ones, because, I mean, why not? They'll throw tire shine on it and whatnot when you're driving through, and you get to vacuum for free. So I think $5-6 to do that ain't too bad. So that's what we're about to do right now, and let's get going. Actually, let me show you guys how dirty it is. Still dirt all over it, but check out that tint. Pretty nice, huh? Pretty nice. You guys make sure to hit up my tint guy if you guys need anything. That's his Instagram, at Able Tints. If you're in the local Metro Atlanta area, this guy will take care of you 100%. Big shout outs to him. Provides care instructions, everything to make sure your tint stays nice and clean, how it should be. All right, let's head out. All right, guys, check it out. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Look at it. No more dirt on any of it. And I got tire shine now. Yeah. I like it. Look, even the spare is clean. Oh, yeah. Definitely worth the $7. And I'm about to vacuum the interior. I haven't brought my daughter to one of these since she was like really little, and she started freaking out. It was kind of funny, but she's all right now. We're gonna go ahead and get it vacuumed up because the interior has a bunch of crumbs and whatnot, and we'll get going. Brian finished up his exhaust, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. This was supposed to be, I was supposed to record his exhaust like 2 weeks ago when he finished it, but he ended up going on vacation and a whole bunch of stuff. But oh, he says it looks terrible, but it might sound pretty good. That's a fart can, dude. Later, dude.
Thanks for letting me borrow it. I'll bring it by. Hopefully not in a month.
Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. That's Brian's exhaust that he custom made himself. It's not the best looking, it's not the worst looking. You know, for his first exhaust that he's ever really done on his own, I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, forget, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace. Thank you for watching.